Hi there, it's Gabby with Radiant Art Inspirations. If you're new here, this channel is all about easy, fun, fast face paint tutorials every single week. Today, we're gonna do a slightly more traditional design, a full face cheetah. Full face cheetahs and tigers are the foundation of face painting. It's what every beginner needs to master and what every professional can improve on. We're gonna create this cheetah with gold and pearl pink. We're also going to be creating the print by hand. However, if you have the cheetah stencil, take a look at our more modern cheetah design and I'll put the link right up there. We are going to go from this to this. Let's get started. First, with a sponge load with gold to paint the bridge of the nose, to create the muzzle, and to create slanted triangles on the eyelids. When creating the triangles on the eyelids, try to do it right below the hairline, creating a point. This gold is going to be important to where you draw your stripes. The gold we are using is by Color Master. Next, with pearl pink, also known as metallic pink, sponge the rest of the face. Anywhere that you see skin color, sponge it with pink, but also try to remember to not go below the lip. This design unintentionally looks like Owlette from PJ Masks. Next, with a number 4 brush, load with black to create the nose. And then, with the number 2 brush, create a backwards teardrop for the center of the lip. And then you're going to go ahead and widen that lip as well in black, just the way cats look. With the same brush, you're going to outline the muzzle with your number 1 brush. And you can add little lines on the nose as well to give it a more feline look. Next, you're going to create bigger looking cat eyes, creating a slight wing and then bringing it down below to about midway of the bottom part of the eye. Then, with a number 4 brush, you're going to create the cheetah print. Do about 3 large ones on the top side of the forehead and then 2 more on the second row. Then you're going to create a larger cheetah print where the gold triangle is. And then you'll keep adding cheetah print around the eyes and the cheek area. Take your time when creating the print and make sure that it's very thick and then it turns out to become thin. This way it looks more realistic but also more professional. You can also practice this print on your arm to make it look awesome when you do it on someone's face. You're almost done. With a number 2 brush, load with black and create clusters of dots around your design anywhere that you think it looks a little naked. Try not to put too much because less is more. However, do place some, especially around the eyes, to make it a more flattering look. Try not to make the dots too big, but also not too small. And then create dots inside of the muzzle. Lastly, we're using pearl purple to create the bottom part of the lipstick. Yay, you're all done! Give yourself and this video a thumbs up. Have you ever considered subscribing to our channel? See you guys next week. Bye-bye! All the colors we used today were by Color Master's Metallic Palette.